Well, this is my partner 350 chainsaw. It's probably from the early 1970s, as it's all aluminium, and also there's a throttle stop on it, so when you start up it revs a bit, but they don't use that on modern chainsaws because it's dangerous. It runs a 25:1 mix oil petrol ratio for 2-stroke, and it's about 35cc, I would have said. I'm going to start it up. When you start chainsaws, make sure you always got like safety footwear, steel toe caps, because you don't want any accidents. The cat will go away in a minute. And you switch the switch up, lock the throttle in, pull the choke out. I always tend to put my foot here just to hold it still, and brake forward. Once it's fired, you push the choke in, and then doesn't like this cold weather very much. Flick the switch. Yeah, so not a bad little saw. Don't like the cold weather very much, but you do the job. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.